In front of me is Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by launching Settings and tapping on Personalization. Then scroll down to tap on My Fonts. Click on this plus at the top right corner and pick a perfect one. Then choose Download. Hit Apply and tap on OK. As you can see, after that my font style was successfully applied. If you want to go back to the default one, you can always do that by tapping on Settings again, clicking Personalization, scrolling down and choosing My Fonts. This time though, tap on Default, hit Apply, select OK, and wait one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!